I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to see all of your archived ChatGPT chats using the ChatGPT website. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to chatgpt.com, and then sign into your ChatGPT account if you're not signed in already. Step 2. Click your profile icon to open a menu, and then click Settings in this menu. The Settings window opens. Step 3. Click Data Controls in the menu on the left side of the window, and then click Manage Associated with Archived Chats on the right side of the window. An Archived Chats window opens where you'll see a list of all of the chats you've archived. You can click any of those chats to open them in a window and view them. You can click the folder icon to unarchive and restore a chat to your primary list of chats, or you can click Delete to permanently delete a chat. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.